Mr. Daniels,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yeah, I brought my case because I'm trying to file child support on myself to make sure that my child is getting the benefits that it needs because the mother doesn't seem to be taking care of the responsibilities.
I mean, obviously not. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court today. And I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay.
In a shocking twist, Mr. Daniels enters court not to escape child support, but to place it on himself. His reason stuns everyone. The mother refuses responsibility and even avoided attending today. His voice carries anger, hurt, and deep love for his child. The disappointment is heavy, but his courage is louder. What could push a struggling father to fight for obligations most men run from? The answer begins unfolding now.
I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay. It's very different when people come in, and well, guys in particular come in to put themselves on child support. Like, what's the backstory between you and mom? Have y'all ever been married?
I tried to get married. I tried to do everything right.
Okay.
She chose to be out in the streets, so I'm just trying to.
What do you mean by chose to be out in the streets?
Chose to be being somewhere other than the house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
She party a lot.
The judge questions their relationship, asking if marriage ever happened. His response is heartbreaking. He tried to build a family, but she abandoned it for nightlife and parties. His quiet confession shows the weight of broken promises. He wanted stability, but she wanted streets. His testimony paints a picture of loyalty crushed by recklessness. What kind of mother chooses freedom over family? The court is about to uncover painful truths.
Chose to be being somewhere other than the house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
She party a lot, do all those things.
Well, I don't know where she's at, so I don't know what she does.
Do you communicate with her at all?
When it comes to money.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why.
You have a son or a daughter?
I have a son.
Do you get to see your son?
On the weekends, but it's rare. We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
Okay.
The father's sorrow deepens. He reveals he rarely sees his little boy, maybe only on weekends. Communication with the mother happens only when money is mentioned. There is no partnership, only arguments and stress. Still, he shows up in court, not for revenge, but for his son's future. His battle is filled with sacrifice, pain, and hope. How long can a father fight before his heart finally breaks?
We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
Okay, so you do understand how child support works, right? It's based on a calculation based on the amount of money that you make.
I'm third string, so I don't make that much.
What does that mean, your third string?
I'm not making a lot of money right now in the arena football league that I play in, so I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit.
He admits he is no celebrity athlete, only third string in the arena football league, barely surviving. Yet, here he is, accepting responsibility many would avoid. Fear of losing everything surrounds him, but his love outweighs fear. He struggles to provide for himself, yet he refuses to abandon his son. Why would a man with so little give so much? The judge prepares to reveal financial stakes that could change everything.
I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because I have to take care of myself as well.
Okay. So it's based on the calculation. So whatever amount of money that you make, that's what your child support is going to be set at. No matter if you were third string, first string, second string, I don't know how many strings it go up to. It's based on your calculation.
Okay.
So how much money do you make a year?
Around 67.
Okay. And you only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
The judge doesn't ease the pressure. She explains that support isn't about position, but income. He finally admits he earns $67,000 yearly with only one child depending on him. The room grows tense. He is torn between surviving financially and fulfilling his duty as a father. This case isn't about excuses, but reality. Will his efforts drown under numbers, or will fairness prevail? The answer lies in the verdict ahead.
You only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So 67,000. Well, let me ask you this. Who pays health insurance?
I pay it.
Okay. How much is your health insurance?
Around 120.
120. Okay. And let me see. You turned in some documents here. Looks like your health insurance is actually 130. 130. You're shorting yourself $10 because the health insurance amount, I mean, she's not here obviously to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance.
Okay.
Okay.
The judge notices a small detail. He claimed $120 for health insurance, but records show $130. You shorted yourself $10, she says, highlighting his quiet sacrifice. Even when struggling, he reduces his needs. Why? Maybe he is used to giving up comfort. Maybe protecting his son is more important than accuracy. Now the court must calculate exact support, and the figure is larger than he expected. The final numbers arrive.
I mean, she's not here obviously to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance.
Okay.
Okay. So based on that, giving you credit for the health insurance, your gross comes out to $5,470. Your net of that after taxes come out is $4,357.28 for a child support amount of $871.46. Okay?
Okay.
The decision falls. He must pay $871.46. Suddenly, the judge asks, "Are you single?" The courtroom shifts, tension replaced with curiosity. He stumbles, "Well, no." She smiles and replies, "Good. Nothing else left here." Laughter softens the air, but his next words catch everyone by surprise. Even the judge is left speechless. What twist could a struggling father reveal after such a heavy moment? The story isn't finished yet.
For a child support amount of $871.46. Okay?
Okay.
You have any other questions about that?
Are you single?
Well, no.
Okay.
But I don't think that has anything to do with why you're here.
Oh, well, I don't have a good baby mother. I was.
So you want to make me a baby mama? That's what you're telling me?
No, I wasn't trying to make you a baby mother. I was just seeing if you were available to help.
Well, I'm available for my next case. So if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
The hearing closes with an unexpected scene. He jokes, saying he doesn't have a good baby mother. The judge fires back. "So, you want to make me one?" The courtroom explodes with laughter and shock. Embarrassed, he stammers, but she cuts him off playfully. "I'll be available in my next case." With that, she dismisses the room. What began as a painful fight ended with laughter, surprise, and unforgettable drama.